Since I've moved into a new home, I will be setting up a hook rack, several of them. Here are a few things you will need. Here I'm using 2 different size screws, taking the larger one to make my hole since I don't have a drill bit on me. The smaller screw will be going into the wall after I insert a drywall anchor with a mallet. If it doesn't fit, I'll make the hole size a bit larger with the tools I have at hand and try again. I'm just going to hold this one here until I can get a good idea of where the other 3 holes will be going. To determine this, you will need a level as your final tool, and now we can start from the beginning. For step 1, you may use a pencil to mark the wall, or if you have good eyes, you can just mark the indentation with a screw. Repeat your steps for every screw and proceed as follows. You can never have enough room for your furniture makeover storage. If you like this video, click the link at the end for an amazing furniture makeover fabrication. Thanks for watching.